What's up, what it do? My name is Jesse Jackson. Today we want to talk about spamming or spam. What is spam? Let's get into it.
I'm doing power moves. We're doing power.
What is spam? What does Wikipedia say? Unsolicited, undesired electronic messages via email or private message, like we all know, DMs, on Instagram, for example. And this is something for the rappers out there, because I get a lot of messages. Listen to this, listen to that, listen to, I don't know, my new single this, my new single that. Nigga, who are you? if I can say it like this. First of all, who are you? What do you do? What this and that? Who are you? Why me? Without an hi, no, I am this, no introduction whatsoever, and I'm definitely not gonna click on the link. I can make graphics for you here. I can make graphics, blah blah blah. No hi, no this. This appears like a like an automated message. You know what I mean? If you do this, then make sure people don't make sure it is personal, or make sure that doesn't appear as automatic, like it's coming from a bot, or I don't know. If you use it, make sure that it comes personal as it can get. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is spamming. If you just tag me on Facebook and on dozens of your posts, I'm not gonna click on them. If you do that one or two times, it's okay for me to check it out, support, I don't know. But if you do it all the time, I'm not gonna click on your link. That's for sure. And now it appears that they tagging me in Instagram on pictures that are not in my niche or whatever. I have nothing to do with that topic. I have nothing to do with that person. I don't even follow the person. The person doesn't even follow me. So why the hell should I like the picture? I don't know what you want to do. What is it that you want to have me react on? I don't know. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? So this is like, it's just annoying. You know, nobody wants spamming. This is crucial if you want to have a good brand awareness. You can't just send messages like this and think that they will come back and check you out the second time. You know, the first impression is important. Don't just send your messages that you know what I mean? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Your brand awareness is going the other direction. If you like the video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe. You know how to do it. This is Jesse Jack, CEO of Dragon Soul, and all that stuff. You know how to do it. Bye bye. I'm out.
Dragons, oh yeah.